Welcome back to the video, Kings and Queens. This is King Tech HD, and I am back from vacation. I know. It was a week of vacation, and then unfortunately, before I went into vacation, my car broke down. It was just a lot of things happening back to back, but I got a brand new car. And when I say new, I mean brand new. I only had 10 miles on it when I drove it. So it's a brand new car. I also went on vacation. I took two of my seniors from high school since they're graduating this year. We took them to Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood. We took them all over Florida, and they had a great time. I'll probably post little snippets here and there, but it was a great time in Florida right after having to replace my whole damn car. But back to the review. We're doing a review of the Crave iPhone cases. Now, shout out to Crave. Their CEO sent me out an email wanting me to test it out some of their cases. I do have three of the colors lined up. I have the forest green, I have also their black, and I also have their slate gray. They have 8 different colors to choose from actually on their website. They have forest green, which is this one. They also have aqua. They have black, of course, which is on the table. They also have lilac, navy, red, that slate gray that I have, and also berry. 8 different colors to choose from. Great variety of colors. All of the cases are under 20 bucks. All right. They're at the time of making this video, $17.99. That price could go up, it could go down a little bit, but normally on any given day, these cases would be under 20 bucks, which is a great price for what you get out of these cases. All right, you get in premium protection for drop and scratches. You get in a compact profile that is easily gripped. You also have some tactile buttons. You have all the Crave cases have a lifetime warranty. So if you have any issues, feel free to contact the company. They'll make sure they make it right for you. And these are going to be specially designed for the 15 Pro. All right, so let's get into it. They have slim profiles. They are MagSafe compatible, and they're a dual layer design, meaning there's a 2-part case to this. So this is their black. Now, I did put it back into the box, but I have been using these. I ended up using all 3 of them just so I could get a feel of which was the best for me. So when I said dual layer case, let's take this baby apart. There it is. So yes, your MagSafe rings right there. And this is your internal or inner lining, I should say, with your polymer that has your reinforced edges on the inside. So each corner is going to be reinforced edges. This is going to do a shock absorbing if you are to drop this. So you're good to go for that. You do have drop protection when it comes to the camera module. It does have a raised lip, as you can see. And then on the front is going to be raised edges as well too around your phone to protect it. Let's get this bad boy inside of it so I can show you what it looks like. So give this baby a wipe down. All right, wipe down. That's what it'll look like on the titanium 15 Pro. So as you can see, you do have your lip protection on the front going all around the screen in case you sit your phone on the face. And you also have that camera module lip protection in case you sit it on the back. And this is that texture grip pattern that goes great in pockets and also in your hands. And this thing is a hard shell back. So it looks like, you know what I'm saying, it may be TPU, but this is definitely a hard shell back. So you should get that protection. If you are to drop it, it feels durable and premium in your hand. It feels very secure, very premium. That's what that looks like in the black colorway. Let's get this forest green out. Actually, it looks like I mix up the boxes. This is the slate gray, not the forest green, but So the forest green should be in the slate box. It was. All right. So we got the forest green right here. We have a slate gray, and we also have that black case as well. Great cases, great protection, affordable price when you're looking at a case that's not going to break the bank. Some of these cases go all the way to $100. I've saw cases go all the way to $200. This is less than 20 bucks for you and still going to give you that same protection than those other cases will give you as well. Now, I love these cases. Even took this slate one to Miami when I went on vacation. It came great. I was on the beach with this. Sand got all over it. Water got over it. I just had to wipe it down with one of my e-cloths. Shout out to Clean My Tech. You want that e-cloth action? This is how I clean my car on the inside. This is how I clean all my cases, my screens, my cameras. Everything gets cleaned with the e-cloth. You have a 3-year warranty with these e-cloths. They're durable, they're strong, and they're up to 300 washes in the washing machine. All you gotta do is just hand dry this baby. But you want to get rid of smudges, bacteria, grime, fingerprints. This is what you need in your life. So use the link down below, pick yourself up an e-cloth. But back to the Crave cases. Crave cases, great protection, keeping them nice and clean. They protected my phone just fine when I was in Florida. So this is the one that I use. Tactile buttons on the side. You have your cutouts, that is on the very bottom. That camera module has that lip protection. Now, I have 3 cases here. One of these cases only has the action button cutout instead of the action button cover. So I did contact the company. There's a small business, so they're trying to get all of them to be shipped with the action button. But unfortunately, as of now, some colors may ship still with that action button cutout instead of the physical action button. So give them a break. They're doing the best they can. There's still great cases when it comes to protecting your phone and protecting your investment that you made with your purchase of your iPhone. So see, this one comes with that action button right there, and it works perfect. And this forest green comes with that action button as well too, and it works great. So lifetime warranty when it comes to these cases, great protection. I said the only negative thing you could say about it is that some will come with that action button cutout, and then some will come with the action button cover. But other than that, great cases, great protection, and a great deal for what you get for less than 20 bucks. If you want protection for your device, I know you probably haven't heard too much about Crave cases, but if you haven't, check them out. You heard it first, at least from my channel, if you haven't heard it before. And if you have heard it before, then you're right. Great cases, great MagSafe strength, and pick yourself up one. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you, Crave, for sending these out for me to test. There have been amazing cases for the last about week and a half, 2 weeks going on. Thank you very much, everybody. Peace and have a great day.